The Japanese snow fairy, a nickname for the long-tailed tit, Digitalos caudatus japonicus, is a tiny bird often hailed as a symbol of winter's magic, found in Japan's woodlands and gardens. It measures just 13 to 15 centimeters, most of which is its elegant tail. Its fluffy, snow-white body and soft pinkish-gray accents give it an angelic charm, making it look like a delicate snowflake come to life. These sociable birds travel in lively flocks, feeding on insects and seeds. And their heartwarming habit of huddling together for warmth in winter captures the essence of unity. Adored in Japanese culture for their purity and beauty, the snow fairy is a true delight for birdwatchers, bringing a touch of enchantment to the frosty landscape. Like and subscribe for more.